Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Update your Quest 3 and power cycle it so Bluetooth stacks are fresh. Then, make sure your Xbox controller has fresh batteries or a charged internal battery. Low power prevents pairing. Hold the Xbox button to turn it on, then press and hold the pairing button until the light flashes. Once done, open the Quest settings and enable Bluetooth or the controller's pairing dialog. This readies the headset to discover the controller and prevents intermittent drops. You now perform the pairing sequence. Put the Xbox controller into pairing mode so its LED blinks quickly. This signals discoverability. On the Quest 3, go to Settings, Input or Controllers, then choose Add Controller or Add Bluetooth Device. You'll see nearby devices listed. Select the controller name that matches your Xbox model and confirm the pairing prompt. Stay patient while the devices exchange keys. Once paired, the Quest will play a confirmation tone, and the controller's LED should stop blinking and remain solid. Finish by testing inputs in a simple VR app or the Quest's controller diagnostic so you confirm mapping and stick centering. If the controller is unresponsive or drifts, first power cycle the headset and controller, then retry pairing while standing within 2 meters. Bluetooth range matters. If problems persist, remove batteries for 10 seconds or use the controller's reset sequence, then pair again. This clears transient states. If you still see issues, try a firmware update on both devices, because mismatched firmware often causes compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.